Moving on to the neckline, we're going to start off at the bottom and work our way to the top arch. Now we're moving on to the C cup and we're starting off at the bottom and working our way to the top arch. Remember to make sure you're going slow and making sure the hair feeds into the trimmer. After you're done lining up, you always want to go back and detail the tapers or fade. Before we use our foil shaver and remove all the stubble, we use a little bit of shave stick. This is so your client doesn't bump up. Now we're moving on to the top and we're starting off by saturating the hair and making sure everything's combed in place. We're going to be starting off by making our first guideline through the middle and connecting it to the sides. Here we're doing the same thing as we did at the top. We're picking up the hair with the comb and connecting it to the sides. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, we're going to make them as crispy as possible, and we're also going to be doing his eyebrows. When messing with the razor, you want to make sure you pull on the skin and you keep the razor at a 45-degree angle. Also make sure you use Save Gel. You also want to be very careful when near the eyebrow area. Make sure you're very soft and light with the blade.